Well, good morning, YouTube. I am out here once again, my favorite time to ride. 60 degrees out, beautiful. 6:08 in the morning. So today, I would like to talk to you about something that I've noticed is trending, if you want to use that word. And I've noticed this over the last year or so. And it has to do with four-wheelers, cars, cagers, whatever you want to call them. So I have noticed that these people are willing to put our lives in danger by tailgating us and like doing stupid shit when they're behind us. It's unreal. I've noticed that a lot lately. Like this year, really, it seems like every day I got somebody running up my ass. And honestly, it's not like I'm out for a Sunday drive on a fucking Tuesday night. You know, I drive or ride, whatever you want to call it, anywhere between 7 and 9 miles over the posted speed limit. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, yeah, I go above the speed limit. So that means these people want to go even faster than 7 to 9 miles an hour above the speed limit. And they have done some stupid ass shit out here on the road. I'm doing 45 and a 35, and I had some dude pass me on a double yellow line on a 2-lane road, a little bit different than this, but like this. So I'm kind of curious, are you guys seeing that? Because these guys are willing to put, you know, us in danger. You know, you want to call yourself a biker, call yourself a biker. You want to call yourself a motorcycle enthusiast, call yourself that. But they're putting us in danger. Us out here on bikes, we're husbands, we're wives, we're fathers, we're mothers, we're brothers, we're sisters, we're sons and daughters. And these people are willing to ride up our ass, not pay attention to what's going on, whether they're looking at their phone or they're doing their hair, putting on makeup, playing with themselves, whatever they're doing in their car, where they're riding up your ass and they're not paying attention to you in front of you, in front of them, or anything else. And it just really pisses me off. And while what I do sometimes I probably shouldn't be doing, because it puts me in a vulnerable position, but I will flash the brakes. I'll tap my back brake, and I have the custom dynamic triple play with the little flasher thing going on, and maybe that little flasher thing will get their attention. I'm hoping. And if they really keep pushing up my ass, I make them aware that I see them back there, and I wave to them to back off, to give me my space. I give the people in front of me their bubble. I need my bubble. You know, I want my bubble surrounding me to where I know I'm safe and somebody's not going to run up my ass, because we all know anything can happen out here. You're in a curve, they're riding up your ass, you hit gravel, you go down, you get run over by these motherfuckers. So, like I said, I don't know if you guys have noticed this going on in the world, but I sure as shit have. And it, like I said, it's insane, it's irritating, it's all those words that, you know, I'm not going to go through right now. It's just fucked up. And oop, I forgot my turn signal. I did something illegal there. I turned without a turn signal. So Yeah, like I said, I'm curious to know if you guys are noticing that too, because it seems like daily I have somebody riding my ass, and I don't want to be their hood ornament. So if any of y'all listening out there that are driving these cars and running up on fucking bikers' asses and tailgating the shit out of them, stop it. Just stop it. It's unsafe for everybody. Alright, my friends, this is where I'm going to leave you. Let me know what you think. Alright, so until next time, y'all stay safe. Y'all love one another. Peace.